Good morning, Mountain View. Are you dealing with ground squirrels? Do you have ground squirrels coming out of the creeks and parks and getting into your yard, whether it's a commercial landscape or a residential landscape? Are you being driven completely nuts by the fact that they're digging underneath your concrete, underneath your foundation, underneath your shed? Have you thought about trapping them yourself? Have you tried repellents? Ground squirrels in Mountain View can be a real problem because we have a very heavy urban and wild interface with all the creeks and all the parks and the baylands, big commercial campuses that have bushy landscaping. These are breeding grounds for California ground squirrels, which are very invasive, very pervasive. If you're going to try to do it yourself, you got to be careful. For one, you don't want to get bit. You don't want to live catch them and get bit. They are not very cute and cuddly up close. You cannot poison them. You can try smoking them out of their burrows, but you got to be real careful with that. If you're using smoke bombs down the ground squirrel burrows, you could cause a fire. You could inhale the smoke and make yourself sick. You could potentially put carbon monoxide poison in your home. There's a lot of rules and regulations to all this stuff that you got to be mindful of. You can try using repellent down the holes. If you put repellent in the ground squirrel burrows every day, you might get some temporary relief. But in Mountain View, there's so many ground squirrels that they're going to just come back. Bear in mind that if you just ignore it, they won't go away and they will destroy so much of your property. You'll think I'm exaggerating when I say they'll destroy $10,000 a year worth of your property value. It's probably more than that because they love to dig under concrete and then the concrete collapses. If you're in Mountain View and you're dealing with ground squirrels and you need help, I recommend calling a professional. You could call Smith's. We do handle ground squirrels. It is one of our primary areas of expertise. If you're going to deal with this, call a pro or arm yourself with knowledge because you're really going to be up against quite a formidable enemy in the California ground squirrel. They are no joke. All right, folks. Zachary Smith, founder of Smith's Pest Management. Your ground squirrel problems stop here.